When stripping the wire, need to pay attention to the general stripping length of 5 to 10 millimeters, the whole deeper stripping length of 12 millimeter. We need to stuff the stripped battery cable into the standard copper plug and crimp it down with hydraulic pliers. Once we are ready to press the wires, we have to connect the battery to the inverter. Then connect the battery to the DC breaker.
The generator and the load are delimited in the same way as the mains. Connect inverter to circuit breaker. The generator and the load are delimited in the same way as the mains.